Fidelity Fidfolios Review. Today we will discuss about the pros, cons, features, and pricing of Fidelity Fidfolios. Here is my honest opinion. What are the pros? Efficient trading. The ability to execute trades for up to 50 stocks at once can save time and streamline portfolio management, especially for those with diverse holdings. Risk-free trial. The 90-day free trial allows users to explore the platform's capabilities and determine if it meets their needs before incurring any costs. Simplified process. The one-click trading feature makes it easier to manage large portfolios and execute trades quickly, ideal for busy investors. What are the cons? Monthly subscription fee. At $4.99 per month after the trial, some users may find this fee not justifiable, particularly if they do not frequently trade or manage a large number of stocks. Limited value for casual users. The advanced bulk trading feature might not offer significant advantages to casual or infrequent traders, potentially making the cost less worthwhile. Basic features. Fidfolios may lack some of the advanced trading tools and features that more experienced traders seek, limiting its appeal to those who need more sophisticated trading capabilities. Let's talk about features. One-click bulk trading. The Fidfolios platform allows users to buy or sell up to 50 different stocks simultaneously with a single click, simplifying the process for managing diversified portfolios. Free trial. New users can access the Fidfolio service for free for the first 90 days, giving them a chance to evaluate its benefits without any financial commitment. Monthly fee. After the trial period, the service costs $4.99 per month, which grants continued access to the platform's features. User experience. Designed for ease of use, particularly for those managing large portfolios or who frequently adjust their stock holdings. Let's talk about pricing. Monthly fee. $4.99 per month, which applies after a 90-day free trial period. Trial period. 90 days of free access to evaluate the platform. Suggested alternative. For those who require more comprehensive trading features and tools, Active Trader Pro from Fidelity might be a better fit. It offers advanced functionalities tailored to serious traders and is included at no additional cost for Fidelity customers, making it a robust option for more in-depth trading needs.